All right, so now that I showed you how to sign in, I just want to show you what it looks like from both the teacher and student's point of view once a book is created. So this is the teacher's point of view, and this is the only book that I have in my library so far because only one student has joined. And if you notice right here, the title of the book comes up as well as the author of the book, which is very cool. And I'm also able to edit all of the, I have the functionalities to edit all of the student's work, which is awesome. So this is what it looks like from the teacher's point of view, and any book that's created in my class will show up here. I'm able to edit it. I'm able to look through all of them. And then from the student point of view, it's pretty much the same thing. You just lose a couple of the functionalities. I'm able to edit my own book, but I'm not able to edit other people's books. I'm able to retitle my project. So I could call this, To Kill a Mockingbird if I wanted to. And this is what it would look like. I also could create a second book if I wanted to from here. And that is that.